It's a very simple answer because it's a human right as far as I'm concerned. You know, there's a clear case of very serious inequality going on, and I wanted to come along and stand beside this community, the community that I also belong to. It's time for Ireland to move forward. Civil partnership, I didn't realise, like a lot of people I think didn't realise, was actually quite a detrimental thing to the future of gay people and particularly gay unions. So I wanted to come along and say, right, time for gay marriage. And look, we're starting already.
Well, I think civil partnership is good, but we want to have full equality, and as opposed to not full equality, which civil partnership is. And there are a lot of issues like parental care, mothering, that are important for parents of kids who have children and would be in difficult situations if one of the parents were to die.
We're here today because we're quite passionate about same-sex marriage. It's a campaign that we've kind of campaigned on now over the last couple of years. We quite believe that civil partnership is an unequal institution, and we want full same-sex marriage for all our members and for all LGBT people in Ireland.
I think it's wrong that some people don't get the same marriage rights as other people and then aren't able to marry the people that they love.
It's not fair. We need equal marriage rights for everybody. Why should you have to be a second class citizen? It's not fair.
Well said.
That's why we're out.
That's it, it's all about equality.
If you can get married, if I can get married, why can't they? Simple as.
I believe it's about time that this country recognises that church and state have to be separated, and that each person in this country is entitled to equal opportunity in anything, including marriage. That's why I'm here today.
Because we want rights for our children. They are unprotected at the moment in this new law, civil partnership. We need rights for our children. We are terrified. Okay?
Because we kind of feel that it's important that as Irish citizens we're recognised as equal to everybody else.
Well, effectively, we've been together for 11 years. We have a right to get married, we believe. If we're not all equal, none of us are equal.
You go first. I'm here because I believe in equality, and I think there's equality is an all or nothing issue. And so I'm here marching for equality more than marriage, if you know what I mean.
Yeah, like she said, it's equality We demand equality. We're the same as everybody else. We should have the same rights as everybody else. It's a simple thing.
Because we think everybody should have the right to marry.
Yeah, exactly the same. We should have the exact same rights as our brothers and sisters.
Well, I think it's really important that everyone has the right to marriage. It's a fundamental right that's being denied to about a tenth of the population. And I think that, you know, as someone who's straight, I have the right to marry whoever I want. Why should gay people I know not have that right? I mean, it's completely unfair. It's ridiculous. You know, other countries have recognised it, and I think it's about time that our government recognises that, you know, there are citizens out there that need this right, and they need to bring in full marriage right now. Civil partnership is not enough.
So we want equal rights for marriage.
Yes, for
civil
equality.
partnership is not enough.
Yeah. Exactly. It's a half measure. And
you have to stand up for what you believe in.
Exactly.
That's it.
Because I'm marching because I feel like I have equal rights and I got to marry the person that I love and have children with him, and I think everybody should have the same rights. I have loads of friends who are gay, and I don't think it's fair that they don't share the same freedoms and privileges as we do.
Equal rights! No! Equal rights! No! What do we want? Equal rights! What do we want? No! What do we want? Equal rights!
Because I'm supporting a lot of my friends, and I just believe that Ireland needs to catch up, and you know, equality for everybody. Everybody deserves the same rights, and if people want to get married, whether straight or gay, it's their choice. And I think we just need to follow the rest of the world and suit, and just let everybody have equal rights. We fought long enough in this country for our own freedom, so let's give everybody that freedom and everybody their own choice.